apps affairs show you
How to return to personal account on Instagram. So if you have converted your personal account to a professional account and now you are wondering to get back your personal account, here's how to do it. Launch your Instagram application and come to your profile page. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Here, under for professional section, you will get business tools and controls. Just tap on that. Tap on switch account type. Tap on switch to personal account. And tap on switch to personal account. And that's it. Now completely close the Instagram app. Relaunch the app and go to your profile page. And here you will see your professional account has been disabled and you are now using a personal account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.